Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil and today we will be solving the question finding closest number to 0. As this is my first video, I'm trying to keep it simple and easy. So yeah, let's solve this question first. And by the way, I am using AlgoMap from Greg. Yeah, this is the roadmap I'm using. Please check him out also. Okay, now coming to the question. Okay, let's see. Find closest number to 0. I actually solved this question beforehand and I'll be explaining the solution. I mean, I solved it like way back, like 3 months back maybe, and it's a fairly easy question. So let's see. Given an integer array nums of size n, return the number with the value closest to 0 in nums. If there are multiple answers, return the number with the largest value. Okay, what they're saying is they need the number closest to 0 from the given array nums. Let's see the input. For example, let's check out example 1. Input nums, let's say -4 -2 1 4 8. The output is 1. As you can see, the distance is like the magnitude. So -4 to 0 is 4, -2 to 0 is 2, and so on, and 1 is shortest. And for the second example, we can see that it's -1 and 1, so they return the greatest, which is the 1. Okay, so okay, what they require is find the number closest to 0. That's the question. So for that, what we'll be doing is first simply let's turn all these numbers into positive, and let's keep checking which is the minimum out of them. For example, if we convert them all into small, like positive, then we can get a sorted array like 1 2 4 4 8, and as 1 is the smallest, we can deem the answer is 1. And for the second example, similarly, it's 1 1 2, so we can just return 1. So yeah, let's start. Guys, let's continue. By the way, I did a mistake. I was actually putting Java here and trying the solution. So yeah, let's go to Python and start it again. First, let's take a minimum character, like which stores the value which you want. For example, 1 here. For that, first I'll choose this. This is like infinity, a positive infinity, which you can use. Like for example, you want to compare this to the numbers here. I'll show you, like for I in nums, if absolute of I, and again absolute is a method which like is like a modulus, converts positive or negative into positive, is less than minimum, then minimum will be equal to absolute of I. Yeah. Okay, now let's return minimum and see what we will get. Oh, it worked. Hope you guys could understand. What's happening here is, let me print I for each value so that I can explain. Like normally, if you have any trouble, like if you get any errors or wrong answers, you can just check the answers actually by doing this. Okay, let's run. As you can see, we took -4 first, and it becomes 4, and that 4 will be compared with minimum, and as our minimum is infinity, which is greater than 4, so for now minimum will become 4. For the next iteration, -2 will be coming, and that -2 again will run. Here we get 2, here we'll be having 4 2 4, again we'll get the exchanges 2. Maybe I should remove this and add print minimum so that you'll understand what is happening with the minimum also. As you can see, for the 2 the minimum changes to 2, and for the 1 it becomes 1, and for the 4 it does not change. Okay, what's happening with 8? Okay, this doesn't run if our absolute is greater than minimum, so we are just getting these values. This is the 4 and 8. Like if you remove this, let's just remove this and run. Yep, see, 4 2 1, and that's it. This condition will keep on failing after that. Okay, now let's submit and see if we have failed any test cases, which is probably we did fail. What happened? Stand out expected is this. What are you talking? I'm pretty sure they said return the number with the largest value. Let's see how many zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4. Okay, both are the same. Oh damn, I was not expecting this. Like what I was doing is like just giving here the absolute values instead of the actual values. Okay, I mean we are checking the absolute values and then returning it, but I guess we can return minimum as the absolute value, so let's just give it as I, and then here we'll give absolute. Oh wait, we can't give absolute. We can't. No, that's a dilemma. Okay, what we'll do is we'll check if the first we convert. Let me just run this. Okay. Okay, we got this test case wrong. Damn. We have a -1 here. Of course, the output will be -1 because it's checking, and if we keep equal sign, we'll be getting the one answer, but the other test cases will fail. Like if the 1 is in between and -1 will be here, then this will pass, but not the other case. Okay, let's pause for real quick. Wait, let's just try the the greedy brute force method, which is let's just search again. Like we'll find the value. Suppose the absolute, we'll just remove this here. We'll just give that the absolute value and all, and if what should we say, absolute value of min, what in what is that, nums, return abs of min, else return min. Yeah, see, now you can see. Oh damn, wait, what? Wait, why did you get -4? What? Let's see. Equal to 4 print min. Again we'll go absolute of that is less than. Wait, oh, min became I. Okay, sorry. So now it's clear. We get the answer. Let's just submit this and see. By the way, this is a brute force method. I mean, just trying to get the answer. It's definitely wrong. Okay. Wait, what? We stopped here? Wait, how the hell did we stop here? Bro, I wrote this code for this specific test case. I mean, if that, suppose, okay, here we are equal. Okay, it's becoming positive here. Checking, so it's better to give -1 boom. Submit again. Let's see. Oh damn, it works. Damn, 0 ms. It takes a lot some memory, I guess. Meets 100%. Okay, well, the code is not cool, but you know, it gets the job done. And of course it's the ugly code. Let's try to change the code again, guys. Sorry. Yeah, the last time I touched this problem was on August 13th 2024. That's like, what, damn, that's almost 9 months, 10 months, 9 months. And see, bro, I wrote literally like similar what is that, similar answers. Okay, like, see here, I took the first element as b instead of taking infinity, and I will just compare this b by first making the absolute of both I and b, just making it by b and is equal to I. Where is it? Can I drag it? I don't think I can drag it. Wait, sorry, just set this up. Okay, see here, I was trying not to make the minimum negative and just keep it positive. Same thing here, I just did that. So here we get b positive, and here what we did is we are finding if the positive version of that thing was in the array. If so, return that positive version, else return the negative of that. Wait, why did we didn't have to do ABS here actually. We can simply just return that, and that should probably work too. I mean, it was already an ABS form. What do you mean by ABS form? It's absolute, which means modulus, from what I learned from my school. And yep, it is up. Why is it slower? Come on. Yeah, bro, LeetCode's ass. Come on. Okay, well, here I was checking if it was negative, and if the positive version of it was in nums, then return the positive version, else just return the negative version. I wrote a similar code last time also. I mean, I'll try to find some other better code if there is. I hope there's none. Let's see. Yeah, this is what the others are also teaching. I mean, similar. I know a little bit tinkering here and here, but the same. There's no better one-lining of code. Maybe there is, but I'm not some Sadguru to research about it. So let's just leave it there. And yeah, that's it for today. We have seen, it's a really easy question. I don't know why I overcomplicated it. I'm pretty sure I solved it really fast when I was doing it. I mean, not that fast actually. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 attempts. Yeah. Okay, well, that's it. Thank you. Signing off.